Hi there and welcome to another video. As you can see behind me we have this stunning ABT RS6-S. It's the ultra blue one we've seen in previous shots. We had this on display at the Petrol Hedonism show down at Wembley a few weeks back. What we've now been asked to do, a customer's called us, we had a few customers on this now, who are asking for a premium sound upgrade. Now these Vorsprung cars come with Bang Olufsen sound systems, so I've got to be honest with you, I was fairly sceptical myself. Is that even possible? You know, Bang Olufsen, huge brand, you know, can we improve on that? And to be fair, we spoke to the guys at Audison and Hertz, so 4Car Audio, who we do a lot of work with. They've put together a package for us, and genuinely it just blows the whole Bang Olufsen system out of the water. So yeah, absolutely incredible. To be fair, when we started taking it apart, it's, you know, the factory system wasn't that special. The speakers fairly generic, the amplifier fairly small. I think the best way to describe it, the standard sound system sounds good. The Bang & Olufsen is definitely much better than the standard sound system, and it's all in levels. This is completely different level again. So yeah, absolutely so pleased with how it came out. The biggest selling feature for me is how discreet it is. So we've got the 12 channel, so the heart of the system basically is the 12 channel Audison Forza amp. So that's an amplifier and a DSP, so digital sound processor. That's actually hidden away in the factory location. So as the theme of all of this install is, everything is hidden away. So the original factory grills for the front tweeters, the mid-range, the bass, everything, the subwoofer, it's all completely hidden away. So, you know, I think that on a car like this, you know, absolutely perfect solution really, because what you don't want to see is, some people hate all these A-pillar builds, big subwoofers in the boot, amplifiers visible, that sort of thing. So yeah, really pleased with the outcome. Mark and the team managed to hide it away lovely for us. But yeah, as I say, the Audison, that's actually an amplifier and a digital sound processor, so it's fully set up. What we're going to do, we'll do another video on setting it up. We plug a laptop into the processor, we can set all the time channels, time delays, that sort of thing, so everything's focused to the driver, so really good system. The speakers we used are Hertz Miele Legend, so we've managed to get the 1800s in the front and rear of the vehicle. We've also got in the front of the vehicle, we've got a three-way front end, so we've got the mid-range Audison speakers and also the amazing Miele Legend tweeters, front and rear. We've also retained the existing factory surround speakers, so that's also going through our amplifier. We've got the surround channels at the top of the A-pillars just for a bit of extra sound. But as I say, the main thing is there is no difference when you're using the radio, so on and so forth. You won't see any changes in terms of the functionality. It's all linked in perfectly to the factory system, no warning lights, no error messages, that sort of thing. Subwoofer wise, there's a plastic subwoofer that sits under the spare wheel on this, or where the spare wheel would sit. That's been upgraded to this brand new Eaton, and to be fair, very, very powerful unit. So impressed. It's a similar size but much heavier, and it's an active sub rather than passive, so it's powered up. And you can really feel that bass all the way through the car. Unfortunately, it's really hard to get across on video because you need to really come down and listen to this stereo, as you can imagine. But you know, we put some test tracks on, and you know, believe you me, it's the best way of describing it. It's not boom crazy loud, but it's extremely clear. So it's very clear and immersive. Basically, there's lots of instruments you don't normally hear on certain tracks when you get into this system. It's absolutely incredible the way it's been set up. So yeah, already we've had 2 or 3 other inquiries for RS6 and RS7. So it's something that's, you know, we're really starting to progress into now. Is you know, we've really got that belief that although these cars come with premium sound packages, there is at least, you know, another level way above that we can put into the cars. So yeah, what we'll do, we'll try and cut away to some shots of the speakers. We've got a couple of stills to show you. So all the speakers have been mounted in the factory locations, lots and lots of sound deadening. Everything, all of the mountings have been bespoke made and laser cut for this particular vehicle, so it all sounds absolutely perfect. We'd love to know what you think in the comments. If that is of interest, just give the team a call or email through sales@richterautomotive.co.uk, and we'll catch up in the next video.